Here's another example that I want to show you. It's another fabric swatch, and if you look here, it's showing that the horizontal repeat is 27 inches, and if you look at your ruler at the top, you are looking at 27 inches worth of fabric. However, notice one thing. The vertical repeat for this fabric is 25 inches, but they are showing you 36 inches worth of fabric. So let's see how that will work in the G4 system. Now I'm going to add that particular swatch, and here it is. Now if you notice, I'm going to type in the amount of fabric that they were telling me I was seeing, which was 27 inches. And if I click in the height area, you will see that it automatically picks up the correct inches. So I was looking at a swatch that was 27 inches by 36 inches, and I'm going to add this swatch. Okay, good. Now I want to apply that swatch to the panel, making sure that my swatch is highlighted, and I'll hit the apply button. And that looks pretty good. Now I want to do one more thing with the same swatch. Okay, like before, I'm going to change the width to the 27 inches, which is what their website said I was looking at. Again, also, if I click in the height, it will automatically fill in the 36 inches, which was correct. That is how much fabric I'm looking at. I'm actually going to change the name of this swatch because I'm going to crop it. Now, again, according to their website, they said that the repeat was actually 25 inches in height. So I'm looking at more fabric than a repeat. So I can crop off that excess, and that's exactly what I'm going to do up here in the corner. I can drag my mouse and literally crop off the excess, and I'll do it right about there. That looks pretty good. Now over on the right hand side of our screen, you're going to see how that swatch is going to look cropped, and it's taking a while for it to paint. That's because I'm recording on the PC, and that recording, there you go, if you can see that, that looks pretty good. The right side is showing what the swatch looks like when it has been cropped. So I will import this now. Great! Now you really don't see that much of a difference between the two swatches, the regular sized and the cropped one, but I did want to demonstrate the ability to crop that swatch. So I'm just going to apply it so you can see the difference. And that actually looks pretty nice. Now I just want to import one last picture to demonstrate this crop tool. Now, as you can see, this is a photograph of a swatch that was taken, and in the lower left corner over here you can see a piece of furniture. Well, I'm just going to crop that furniture right out of this image. There. Now it's taking a while for the computer to paint this image, and that's because I'm recording the session. But this preview window will show how that cropped image will tile into your fabric. Now there, you can see how that image was cropped, and that looks pretty good. The end result of adding fabric can really be impressive. And make sure to watch our other lessons so you can learn how to add that contrast color to the areas such as lining or the trim. Also, you will be able to change the weight or the color of the lines so that they do stand out a little bit better when you're adding that fabric.